In today's digital world, businesses need to reach customers where they spend their time. Social media is one of the biggest places people connect and engage. Meta's platforms like Facebook and Instagram have billions of users. This makes them incredibly powerful for advertising. Meta Ads Manager is the tool that unlocks this potential for your business. Think of Meta Ads Manager as your command center. It puts you in control of every aspect of your advertising on Meta's platforms. You don't need to be a tech expert to use it. This guide will break down the process step by step, making it easy for beginners to grasp. By using Meta Ads Manager effectively, you can target your ideal customer. This means your ads are shown to the people most likely to be interested in your products or services. This focused approach is what makes Meta Ads Manager so efficient and impactful for businesses of all sizes. Before you begin, you need a Facebook business page. This is essential for running ads. Think of it as your business's official profile on Facebook. Once you have a business page, head over to the Meta Business Suite website. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to manage your business presence on Meta's platforms. Log into your account and look for the Tools section. Within this section, you'll find a variety of options. Select Ads Manager to open the platform's advertising platform. Now you're ready to start creating your first ad campaign. Before you start creating your campaign, make sure you have a valid payment method linked to your account. This ensures your ads can run smoothly without interruption. Meta Ads Manager makes it easy to manage your budget and track your ad spending. The first step is to define your objective. What do you want to achieve with this campaign? Do you want to raise awareness about your brand, drive traffic to your website, or boost sales? Meta Ads Manager offers a range of campaign objectives to choose from. Select the one that aligns best with your marketing goals. Next, you'll need to define your target audience. Who are you trying to reach with your ads? Meta Ads Manager allows you to target your audience based on factors like demographics, interests, and behaviors. This ensures your ads are shown to the people most likely to engage with them. Now comes the fun part, creating your ad. Meta Ads Manager supports both image and video ads. Choose visuals that are eye-catching and relevant to your target audience. Write compelling ad copy that grabs attention and clearly communicates your message. A strong call to action is crucial to encourage users to take the desired next step. Before you launch your campaign, take the time to review all the settings. Double-check your target audience, budget, and ad creative to ensure everything is aligned with your goals. Once you're satisfied, hit the launch button and watch your campaign come to life. Meta Ads Manager provides robust analytics to track your campaign's performance. Monitor key metrics like reach, engagement, and conversions to measure your success. Use these insights to optimize your campaign for better results. Experiment with different ad creatives and targeting options to find what resonates best with your audience. Remember, successful advertising is an ongoing process. Continuously analyze your data, adapt your strategies, and refine your approach to maximize your return on investment. Meta Ads Manager empowers you with the tools and insights you need to succeed in the dynamic world of social media advertising.